Namashivaya, dear students. Our online classes are going on well. I am very happy about that. Shall we start our class? Oh, I forgot one thing. Before starting the class, I want to give you some seeds. But there is a condition. Condition? What is the condition? I will give you or I will show you many types of seeds. But you have to select only one type of seed out of many seeds. Clear? Your teacher will show you many types of seeds. But you have to select only one type of seed. Are you ready to take seed? Yes, you take seed. Oh, there are different types of seeds. Laddu, jalebi, barfi, Mysore pak. I know you all feel confused now because you like all these seeds, but your teacher asks you to select only one seed out of many seeds. Okay. We face the same situation or the same confusion in our real life also. What is the reason? Because in today's world, there are many opportunities or many choices available. Especially in the case of different professions and different courses like MBBS, engineering, teaching, nursing. But we cannot select all these choices or opportunities together. So, we should be very careful when we are asked to select only one out of many. Because the choice or the decision or the opportunity that we take has an impact on our life and our future. So, we should be very careful when we are asked to select only one out of many. If we select a good choice, we will be very happy in our future life. Or if we take a bad choice or wrong choice, we will regret it later. So, you should be very careful about that. Today, we are going to learn a beautiful poem. The title of the poem is The Road Not Taken. The title of the poem is The Road Not Taken, written by the famous poet Robert Frost. Written by the famous poet Robert Frost. Robert Frost was an American poet. He was also known as the nature poet. The nature poet. There are two roads in the poem, The Road Not Taken. There are two roads. How many roads? Two roads in the poem, The Road Not Taken. These roads are not ordinary roads. These roads are not ordinary roads, but these roads symbolize opportunities or choices that are available in our life. There are two roads and these roads symbolize opportunities or choices that are available in our life. Okay, let us start the poem. Yes, all of you open your textbook. I am going to recite the poem. All of you listen to your text carefully. Poem The Road Not Taken. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. And sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveller, long I stood. And looked down one as far as I could, to where it bent in the undergrowth. Now I am going to give you the meaning of the new words. All of you listen. Diverged. Diverged meaning separated. Diverged meaning separated. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E-D. Separated. Yellowwood meaning the forest in autumn season. Yellow wood meaning the forest in autumn season. AUTUMN. Autumn season. Then bend. Bend meaning turned. TURNED. Bent meaning turned. Next word is undergrowth. Undergrowth meaning thick growth of plants and trees. Thick growth of plants and trees. That is undergrowth. Now I am going to explain the poem. Two roads diverged in a yellow wood. One day our poet was walking. Finally he reached a forest. There were two roads. There were two roads in a yellow wood. Yellow wood meaning it was autumn season and the leaves turned yellow in color. It was autumn season and the leaves turned yellow in color. And sorry, I could not travel both. The poet tells us that as a one traveler, he could not travel through both the roads. And be one traveler, long I stood. The poet was standing there for long time. And looked down one as far as I could. As a one traveler, he could not travel through both the roads, so he was standing there for a long time and he was trying to see one of the roads maximum as he could to where it bent in the undergrowth. Then he was able to see one of the roads maximum till it turned in the forest, which was covered with the trees and plants. Okay, so one day our poet was walking. Finally he reached a forest. There were two roads and he could not travel through both the roads. Then he was standing there for a long time and he was trying to see one of the roads maximum. Then he was able to see one of the roads maximum till it turned in the forest, which was covered with the trees and plants. Okay, the inner meaning is the poet had two choices. As a one person, he could not select two choices together. Then he was taking much time and he was thinking about it. Finally, he selected only one choice. Okay. I hope you all understand the poem, The Road Not Taken. Now I am going to ask you some questions. Who wrote the poem, The Road Not Taken? Yes, Robert Frost wrote the poem, Road Not Taken. Second question, what does the road symbolize? What does the road symbolize? Yes, the road symbolizes opportunities or choices. Opportunities or choices. My next question is, how many roads there were in the poem, The Road Not Taken? How many roads were there in the poem, The Road Not Taken? Yes, 2 roads. Okay. Now I am going to give you one homework. You should write the homework and submit it to me tomorrow. Question, write the summary of the first answer. Write the summary of the first answer. Okay. So what is the value or what is the message that you get from this poem? Yes, a person should be careful while selecting or choosing the choice or opportunity. A person should be careful while selecting the opportunity or while selecting the choice. Okay? Thank you all. Namaskar. See you tomorrow.